What is a black hole? A black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. Space telescopes with special tools can help find black holes. The special tools can see how stars that are very close to black holes act differently than other stars. Let's meet a black hole. Singularity. It is the center of a black hole where matter has collapsed into a region of infinite density. All the matter and energy that fall into the black hole end up here. The prediction of infinite density by general relativity is thought to indicate the breakdown of the theory where quantum effects become important. Event horizon. The radius around a singularity where matter and energy are not able to escape the gravity that a black hole has. Point of no return. It is the black part of a black hole. Photosphere. Photons are emitted from a nearby hot plasma in jets or in an accretion disk. In the absence of gravity, these photons would travel in straight lines, but just outside the event horizon of a black hole, gravity is strong enough to bend their paths so that we see a bright ring surrounding a roughly circular dark shadow. Relativistic jets. When a black hole feeds on stars, gas, or dust, the milk produces jets of particles and radiation blasting out from the black hole's poles at near light speed. They can extend for thousands of light years into space. Innermost stable orbit. The inner edge of an accretion disk is the last place that material can orbit safely without the risk of falling past the point of no return. Accretion disk. A disk of superheated gas and dust whirls around a black hole at immense speeds, producing electromagnetic radiation that reveals the black hole's location. Some parts of this material cross the event horizon, while other parts may be forced out to create jets. How do black holes form? Scientists think the smallest black holes were formed when the universe began. Stellar black holes are made when the center of a very big star falls in upon itself or collapses. When this happens, it causes a supernova. A supernova is an exploding star that blasts part of the star into the space. Scientists think supermassive black holes were made at the same time as the galaxy they are in. How big are black holes? Black holes can be big or small. Scientists think the smallest black holes are as small as just one atom. These black holes are very tiny, but have the mass of a large mountain. Mass is the amount of matter or stuff in an object. Another kind of black hole is called stellar. Its mass can be up to 20 times more than the mass of the Sun. There may be many stellar mass black holes in the Earth's galaxy. The Earth's galaxy is called the Milky Way. The largest black holes are called supermassive. These black holes have masses that are more than 1 million suns together. Scientists have found proof that every large galaxy contains a supermassive black hole at its center. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy is called Sagittarius A. It has a mass equal to about 4 million suns and would fit inside a very large ball that could hold a few million Earths. If black holes are black, how do scientists know they are there? A black hole cannot be seen because strong gravity pulls all the light into the middle of a black hole. But scientists can see how the strong gravity affects the stars and gas around the black hole. Scientists can study stars to find out if they're flying around or orbiting a black hole. When a black hole and a star are close together, high-energy light is made. This kind of light is not visible to the naked eye. Scientists use the satellites and telescopes in space to see the high-energy light. Could a black hole destroy Earth? Black holes do not go around in space eating stars, moons, and planets. Earth will not fall into a black hole because no black hole is close enough to the solar system for Earth to do that. Even if a black hole the same mass as the Sun were to take the place of the Sun, Earth would still not fall in. The black hole would have the same gravity as the Sun. Earth and the other planets would orbit the black hole as they orbit the Sun now. The Sun will never turn into a black hole. The Sun is not a big enough star to make a black hole. How is NASA studying black holes? NASA is using satellites and telescopes that are traveling in space to learn more about black holes. These spacecraft help scientists answer questions about the universe. What would happen if you fell into a black hole? We cannot possibly know. Falling through an event horizon is literally passing beyond the veil. Once someone falls past it, nobody could ever send a message back. They'd be ripped into pieces by the enormous gravity, so I doubt anyone falling through would get anywhere. Fun fact: Albert Einstein himself predicted black holes by connecting space-time with the action of gravity. Since then, everybody has known that they result from the death of a massive star.